Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix your talkback problem in your Poco C71 smartphone. You can see, and this is a green line problem also. How you can fix this? So let's fix this. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's start, friends. So you have to swipe by two fingers like this, and you have to see this block. Then you have to unlock by this. Friends, first you have to go to the settings. By two fingers you have to swipe up like this. Then friends, you have to swipe down. Here it is settings. Just tap on one time to select the app, then double tap to open the app like this. Then friends, you have to click on the search. Tap on one time, click on double tap, then you have to write here Talkback. Click on this T, then talk, and here you have to write Talkback. Here it is Talkback. Click on first time, double tap it, click on this, double tap it, and you can just turn it off from here. One tap, double tap, click on turn off, and then double. And friends, you can see the talkback feature is turned off successfully, and now you can see it is in normal mode. And this is how you can fix these problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, then subscribe our video. Thanks for watching.